Okay, we have an unboxing video today. FedEx just dropped this off. This is the Italian Carcano Carbine. Whoop. Yeah, what do you think, Chubbs? You gonna run away? What do you think's in the box? Let's see. Now we got paper. We got paper. Yep, got paper in it. And it's all right. That's wrapped up. More paper. And what else? Let's see what else we got in there. So we bubble wrapped. Oh yes, we are bubble wrapped. Yep, it's short. Not that long. 17.5-inch barrel. Now, you're going to see what I see for the first time. Hopefully it's not a total disaster. And it does not look like it's a total disaster. Let's see. Here's some oil and some stampings there on the barrel or on the stock itself. No. Anyway, take a look. It's good overall condition. Actually, these were good to very good, is what they said. Actually, you could have paid $30 more, and what they would have done was they would have picked the best out of 10. Well, it doesn't really make any difference. They're all about the same. These things actually had a magazine clip they're supposed to use. And of course, they didn't back that and said this, I don't think. Let's see. Here we have the, you have to see, oh yes, there's the safety, I believe. It doesn't want to move, so you can't open it. So I'll have to figure out how to open it. But overall condition, I mean, other than maybe a couple little nicks on the barrel, it looks okay. Let's see. Serial number CAR 10657. Italia. Model 91, 6.5 by 5.2 millimeter. Yep, that's what it is. Well, other thing to do, we find out, number one, if it has a shut-out barrel. So, since they're close by, we'll do the old bullet test. And we shall see if the barrel itself is shot out. I don't know. Now, let's see. Alright, if it goes all the way, the barrel is shot out. Okay? So how far will it go? Right about there. So, let's see. That's like right there. So it only goes that far. So it's not a shot out barrel. Luckily for me. I don't want to buy a new barrel for it anyway if I have to. Don't have to. Let's see. Serial numbers, are they all the same? That's the other thing you've got to find out. Or are they matching? I don't know. I've got to find out. And of course you have the bayonet right here, this guy, and that has a latch on it. It's got a button latch if it does move. Let's see, tight little button there. That's well, it wants to move. I just can't get to move yet. So we will see. Let's see if I can get it out that way. Yeah, still stuck in there. Well, we'll get it out eventually, I'm sure. It will take some cleaning. It's got grease in it. Grease and dirt. Not rust, just grease and dirt. Looks like there's another serial number under there. But overall, you can see it's in really good shape. It's not broken. Stock is not cracked anywhere. There are no cracks or anything on it. So for the most part, yeah, I'm a happy camper. So anyhow, you've seen that one here first. When I go ahead and clear this, figure out how to get this his safety off, because right now I don't believe, yeah, it's right there. But let's see, did you pull it? No, it's just really jammed in there, I want to tell you. Push down and pull up. Oh, push back. Nope. I know it's supposed to work. Anyway, there you are. It's in one piece, and looks like it's in good shape. I'll run my camera through the bore later. And that's going to be it for now. Okay, phase 2. Yes, I did finally get the bolt open. It's just dirt and grease. It's really not moving real smooth because it's just so much dirt and grease in there. I mean, it's packed with it. So I'll have, luckily, I mean, it's not rusted, it's just dirt and grease, not rust. So it's open. The only thing is my camera to look down the barrel has only, it's 7mm, so this is 6.5, so there's no way it'll fit down the bore of this thing. But otherwise, yeah, it'll function and no problem. The other thing is, though, it did not have the magazines it's supposed to have, so it would be just a single fire, single round at a time. That's about all, because without that you can't shoot 6 rounds. So, and the sight, it'll go up and down. Just push button, you just put it wherever you want it. It will go all the way over that way. So you just shoot for, that's the smallest distance right there. But of course, the farther you go, the higher up it's going to be. So there you go. 5,000 yards. Not really, not with a carbine, but it's possible, I guess. But actually, the wood's in very nice shape. It's very clean. There's just a few dents on it. It's not really bad at all. You can see the inside. And yeah, I'm pretty happy with it. For $325 altogether with shipping and all. That's what it cost me. So there you go. Yeah, bolts open, everything's fine. And that'll be it for now.